Ria Money Transfer not working, common errors and fixes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super frustrating situation. You're trying to send money through Ria Money Transfer, but something goes wrong. Maybe the app crashes, your payment won't go through, or the transfer gets stuck in processing. Before you panic or switch platforms, this video will walk you through the most common Ria Money Transfer problems and how to fix them. Let's jump in and get your transfer working again. Number 1, let's talk about the Ria app or website not working. Let's start with the basics. What if the Ria application or website isn't loading at all? Now for common symptoms, the app crashes or won't open, the website doesn't load or gives a blank page, or you see errors like 503 service unavailable or connection timed out. Now, if you are encountering these problems, the common fixes are you want to check your internet connection, you want to switch to Wi-Fi or mobile data, you want to force close the application and reopen it, you want to clear your browser cache if you're using the website. To do that, it's extremely simple. Just go ahead and navigate through your history, click on delete history below, and from there you then have the ability to simply delete the cache and everything from your browser. From there, on the application, you want to update the app from the App Store or Google Play. You can then restart your phone or device. Now, if the site is down for everyone, you want to check downdetector.com to see if Ria is having a widespread outage or a maintenance. For the second common problem is the payment method decline. One of the most common issues is your payment method being declined. Now, what it looks like. You will get the payment failed message. Your card is accepted but the transaction is cancelled a few minutes later. You're asked to verify your payment source. Now, the fix for this problem is you want to check that your card has international or online payments enabled. You want to use a debit card instead of credit or vice versa. You want to try a different browser or device. You want to call your bank. Sometimes they block the charge as suspicious. You want to avoid VPNs or anonymous browser. This may trigger fraud detection. And you want to avoid public Wi-Fis. Once again, may trigger fraud detection. Now as a tip, Ria support bank accounts, debit cards, and credit card. You want to try switching to another method if one fails. Now the third most common problem is the transfer stuck on processing. Now what this means, your transfer show processing for more than 1 to 2 hours. You have no email confirmation is received and you can cancel or edit it. Now for fix, you want to give it 2 to 3 hours, especially for new accounts or first time transfers. Now this happens because Ria is still verifying your account details. The second fix is that you want to check your email. You may be asked to upload ID or verify your payment. For the third fix, you want to contact Ria support or customer support via their chat or phone. And lastly, you want to avoid retrying the transaction multiple times. This can trigger additional delays or duplicate transfers. Now, transfers may be delayed if flagged for a large amount, unusual locations, so once again, you want to avoid public Wi-Fi, first-time recipient, or name mismatch. So you always want to double check the account information or the details. Now, another problem is recipient can't pick up the money. Sometimes the transfer went through but the recipient can't collect it. For common reasons, wrong name spelling, it means that it doesn't match their IDs, they have an incomplete reference number or PIN, local agent location is closed or offline, or the transfer hasn't been processed yet. Now for fix, you want to verify the name that matches their legal ID exactly. If not, you will then go ahead and have a problem. You want to double check the tracking number or PIN. You want to confirm agent hour and availability in the recipient's country. And lastly, you want to use the Ria tracking tool to confirm that the transfer is ready. To do that, you can just navigate through their official website, click on track a transfer, and from here you then want to input the PIN or order number. Now if needed, you want to cancel the transfer and resend it with the correct details. Another problem is the error transaction not approved or transfer declined. This one's vague but common. Now, what causes it? Your transaction is flagged by Ria internal security filters, multiple failed attempts from the same device, suspicious activity from your account, and the system is temporarily overloaded. For fix, you want to wait 24 hours, then try again. You want to change your payment method. You want to make sure that your account info is complete and verified. And lastly, you want to avoid using the same browser, especially if you failed multiple times. Now, if the issue continues, you want to contact Ria customer support to request a manual review. Another problem is if you can't log in your Ria account. The symptoms is incorrect password even when it's correct, too many attempts error, or account locked after verification. For fix, you want to use the forgot password option to reset your credentials. You want to clear your browser or app cache. You want to log in from a new browser or device. You want to contact Ria to unlock your account. As a tip, you want to avoid logging in too many times with the wrong password because this may trigger a temporarily lock on your account. Now, the last one is the verification or ID issues. Sometimes your transfer is paused because Ria needs to verify your identity, like I've mentioned previously. Now, what they might ask for is the government issued photo ID, a selfie or facial match, proof of address, and verification of payment methods. Now, you want to go ahead and upload a document through a secure link that Ria provides. You want to make sure that your photos are clear, not blurry or cropped. You want to use your legal name exactly as it appears on your valid ID. If your ID is rejected, Ria will email you with instructions, so don't ignore it. Now, how to contact Ria for help. If you tried everything and it still isn't working, here's how to reach Ria. For phone support in US, it's 1-877-443-1399. For live chat, it's available on their official website, which is riamoneytransfer.com. For email, it's support@riamoneytransfer.com. And for social media, they respond on Facebook and Twitter DMs too. So you want to be ready with your full name, registered email, transaction ID or tracking number, or the description of the issues. So if your Ria transfer isn't working, don't stress. Most issues can be fixed with a little patience, the right troubleshooting steps, and a quick chat with support. If the app is not loading, you want to restart and update. If the payment is declined, you want to try another method. If the transfer is stuck, you want to check your email for ID verification. If the recipient can collect, you want to double check the name and the pickup location. So if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and drop a comment. What issue did you run into with Ria and how did you solve it? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.